Kennel cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease. It's spread through airborne respirations, through shared toys, food bowls, water bowls, and kennels, which is where it gets its name from. So places where pets are kind of congregated together for long periods of time. They're all coming from different environments and they're at high risk for catching kennel cough. It is caused by bacteria and viruses. There's a whole umbrella worth of them, so that's why we heavily recommend keeping your pets vaccinated, because the most common ones that they can catch we do try to protect from.
Share this with a pet parent now.